How much does it cost for 3 people? 3 days tour in Uzbekistan. Day 1 got with car in Tashkent city 100. Day 2 mountain tour from Tashkent, God with car 150. Day 3 city tour in Samarkand city, God with car 100. Round trip faster crazy app train tickets Tashkent Samarkand Tashkent $60 per person. Herbal medicine in Tashkent, the most effective method of curing back pain, while modern medicine could not help. Follow me on Instagram, press like and mention 10 people who loves to travel or who has back pain. Answer to the next questions and you might win 1 out of 10 national gifts or souvenirs from Uzbekistan. 3 countries you want to discover in 2 to 4, and 3 languages you want to learn. Wife language, snake language, and others are counted. WhatsApp me for more information, +99899900304.